Pancake Saturday. We usually cook pancake on a Saturday because we're working Monday to Friday. So when we first came to Canada, we thought that this is the maple syrup, but really this is the real maple syrup. It will say maple syrup. We will be cooking pancake for the family, and then we will compare the Aunt Jemima pancake syrup to the 100% pure maple syrup. Now we will prepare the pancake. So I'm using Aunt Jemima complete pancake. We just have to add water. So just read the instructions at the back of Aunt Jemima pancake mix. And then we'll pour 1 1/3 cups of water. And then just mix. Looks like it's now ready. I don't really mix it very well. I think this is good enough. And so we'll start cooking. For the pancake, maybe on this side edge. Then you try the Aunt Jemima. Maple syrup's more sweet. Aunt Jemima is not that sweet. What do you like more? Aunt Jemima.
I think the butter's hard.
So I'll try the maple syrup. Tastes like woody.
The Toy Story.
Yeah. Like better the Aunt Jemima.
Why?
So I'm used to sweet.
Because he's never tried maple syrup before.
Right.
That's right.
The maple syrup is a bit strong.
I like the one with sugar.
It doesn't have sugar, but it's just naturally sweet. But the taste is very strong. It has a unique taste. But of course, we're used to the Aunt Jemima pancake syrup.
Jemima.
Oh, Jemima, sorry. So we get to vote which one we like. Daddy likes the Aunt Jemima. So 1 point for Aunt Jemima. And Ezra likes the Aunt Jemima pancake syrup. And Secha likes Aunt Jemima pancake syrup. And I'm the only one who really likes the 100% maple syrup. So the winner for the taste is Aunt Jemima. And now, in terms of the price for the maple syrup is $12.99, and Aunt Jemima is $2.99. So the reason why Aunt Jemima is very popular among Canadian families is because of the price and the taste. Yay! If you like this video,
Please like and subscribe.
thank you.
Woo! Yeah! Woo!
Please
If you
like and subscribe. Oh no, ano? Please like and subscribe.
Ano yun? Ikaw na magsasalita. Oh, ano to? Take 3. From the beginning kasi.
At the beginning pa, iinumin ko na lang tong maple syrup na to.
Wag baka malasing ka.
Ha?